Hi, I'm Cliff. Welcome to the George Davis Center, where ODP education is based. You have most of your lessons here, a mix of theory, practical, and simulation sessions in our dedicated classrooms.
Hello, and welcome to the Western ODP Practical Room. This is a dedicated teaching space which allows us to provide you with clinical training in the safe environment of the university, where you can be supervised by our expert ODP staff. The facilities here allow us to set up anaesthetic simulations, surgical simulations, and recovery simulations so that you can feel confident in taking those skills forward.
As you can imagine, it's vital that we have a sterile environment in theatre. So we're really lucky to have our own scrub sinks so that you can practice scrubbing up or conduct a systematic surgical hand wash and don the sterile gown and gloves here at the university and practice those skills.
Here in our practical training room, we have lots of high fidelity equipment, and you will use that to help you learn how to become a safe and skilled clinical practitioner. Here we have a tool used to simulate laparoscopic or keyhole surgery, and this will help you learn how to assist the surgeon, how to navigate the camera, and how to react to different stages of the operation. This is just one of the clinical skills that you will learn here at the University of Leicester.
Another one of the enhanced skills that we teach here in the third year is suturing, and although it's not a skill of the registered practitioner, it's something that we do here along with the theory, and it means that you are better able to support the surgeon.
One of the many clinical skills we learn is cannulation. This is so that we can give the patient the vital medication they need for their operation. Putting in a cannula can be tricky. It's great we have this equipment, as it means that we can practice as many times as we like until we get it right, before practicing on a real patient. Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the glimpse of the facilities and taste of some of the practical skills lessons we have to offer here. I hope you follow in my footsteps and be here yourself one day. ODP is really the best kept secret in healthcare.